Looking for the best digital clamp meter in 2026? Whether you're a professional electrician, HVAC technician, engineer, or DIY enthusiast, having a reliable clamp meter can make all the difference when it comes to accuracy, safety, and efficiency. In today's video, we've rounded up the top 5 best digital clamp meters of 2026 based on performance, features, durability, and overall value. From budget-friendly options to professional-grade tools, we'll help you find the perfect clamp meter for your needs. Be sure to watch until the end to see our #1 pick. And don't forget, product links and the latest prices are available in the description below. 5. F&Ursi DMC 100. Take your electrical diagnostics to the next level with the F&Ursi DMC 100 1000 counts TRMS clamp meter. Designed for professionals and DIY users alike, this advanced digital clamp multimeter accurately measures AC/DC current up to 600 AS, voltage, resistance, capacitance, frequency, and temperature, while integrated NCV detection, live wire testing, continuity, and diode functions make troubleshooting faster and more efficient. Its unique real-time curve recording feature helps identify intermittent faults by graphing electrical data directly on the 2-inch TFT HD color display, with storage for real-time and historical records for in-depth analysis. Powered by a built-in 1500 mAh rechargeable battery with convenient Type-C charging, the DMC 100 delivers reliable all-day performance without frequent battery changes. Whether you're diagnosing automotive electrical systems, tracking battery drain, testing RV circuits, or repairing household appliances, this versatile clamp meter provides the precision and functionality you need. Watch our YouTube video to see the F&Ursi DMC 100 in action and discover how it can simplify your testing and maintenance tasks. Note, voltage measurements require the included test leads. Clamp jaws are intended for current measurement only. For Astro AI CM4K0R, take electrical troubleshooting to the next level with this versatile digital clamp meter, designed for both professional technicians and DIY users. It accurately measures AC/DC current, AC/DC voltage, resistance, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, diode, continuity, and live wire detection, making it an essential tool for industrial maintenance and household electrical repairs. The built-in non-contact voltage (NCV) function provides added safety with visual and audible alerts that instantly detect weak and strong AC signals. Featuring a large backlit LCD display, integrated flashlight, data hold, max-min recording, low battery indication, and automatic power-off, this meter ensures convenient operation even in dark or hard-to-reach locations. The zero function minimizes measurement errors caused by the Earth's magnetic field for improved accuracy, while the large jaw opening allows current measurement without interrupting the circuit. Built to Cat 3 600-volt safety standards, this compact and durable clamp meter is perfect for electricians, maintenance professionals, and home users who need reliable and accurate electrical measurements. Plus, our California-based technical support team is ready to assist you within 24 hours whenever you need help. 3. Kaiweets KC602. Take your electrical testing to the next level with this upgraded intelligent clamp meter. Featuring a unique smart mode that automatically identifies AC/DC voltage and current, resistance, and continuity signals for faster, safer, and more convenient measurements. Designed for professionals and DIY users alike, this versatile multimeter includes max-min recording, data hold, flashlight, and auto power-off functions, while its portable D-shaped jaws provide improved handling and test lead storage. The large HD color display delivers clear, easy-to-read measurements in both dark environments and bright outdoor conditions. For enhanced accuracy, the meter performs an automatic self-test at startup and displays CAL to verify proper operation. The advanced inrush current measurement function, 5 to 600 AC, helps quickly diagnose motor and startup circuit issues, making troubleshooting more efficient. Capable of measuring AC/DC current and voltage, resistance, continuity, capacitance, diode, NCV, live wire detection, and temperature, this all-in-one tool meets a wide range of electrical testing needs. Safety is ensured with IEC 61001 and Cat 4 600-volt compliance. Watch our YouTube product demonstration video to see the smart features and real-world performance in action. Backed by a 3-year after-sales warranty and lifetime technical support, this clamp meter delivers reliability and peace of mind with every measurement. 2. Fluke 2583647. Take electrical troubleshooting to the next level with this advanced true RMS digital multimeter designed for professionals and DIY users alike. Featuring Volt Alert technology for fast non-contact voltage detection, it helps identify live circuits quickly and safely. AutoVolt automatic AC/DC voltage selection simplifies operation by automatically choosing the correct voltage type, while the 600.0 millivolt DC millivolt range with 0.1 millivolts resolution ensures precise low-level measurements. The low input impedance function helps eliminate false readings caused by ghost voltage, delivering more reliable results. A large white LED backlight provides excellent visibility in dimly lit environments, and true RMS technology ensures accurate measurements on non-linear loads. Built to perform in demanding conditions, it operates in temperatures from -10 degrees Celsius to +50 degrees Celsius and offers an impressive battery life of up to 400 hours without backlight, making it a dependable tool for everyday electrical work. Pair your Amazon listing with an engaging YouTube demonstration video to showcase its features, accuracy, and ease of use, helping customers buy with confidence. 1. Klein Tools CL120. Take your electrical testing to the next level with this versatile clamp meter designed for professional electricians, technicians, and DIY users. Easily measure AC current and perform non-contact voltage testing, NCVT, directly through the clamp jaw for faster, safer diagnostics. The meter also measures AC/DC voltage, resistance, and continuity using the included test leads. Its auto-ranging technology automatically selects the correct measurement range, ensuring accurate and reliable readings every time. A bright backlit LCD display provides clear visibility in low-light environments, while convenient features such as max hold, data hold, a side-mounted test lead holder, and optional magnetic hanger compatibility allow for hands-free operation. Built for efficiency, the meter automatically powers off after 10 minutes to conserve battery life. The complete kit includes a durable carrying case, Cat 3, Cat 4 safety-capped test leads, user instructions, and 3 AAA batteries, making it the perfect all-in-one solution for electrical troubleshooting, maintenance, and installation work. All right, that's our roundup of the top 5 best digital clamp meters of 2026. We hope this video helped you find the perfect clamp meter for your electrical, HVAC, automotive, or DIY projects. Whether you're looking for professional-grade accuracy, advanced features, or the best value for your budget, there's a great option on this list for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews and buying guides. Also, be sure to check out the product links in the description below for the latest prices, deals, and more information on each clamp meter featured in this video. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or personal recommendations, leave them in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.